Alright, we're back in the lab. Today we're going to print out the new version of the V2 Inmoov Hand. The previous one that I was using was just a finger tester. Now I'm moving on to like the more modern and the more kind of pretty much just the updated version. That's it. So yesterday we were able to print out the fingertips, phalanges, and the palm. Today I'll be taking them apart, cleaning them up just a bit, and then we're going to move on with the assembly. But so far, just plug it into this. They look something like this. There we go. There's a palm. Yeah. It's like nearly the size of my hand. No, it's actually bigger than my hand. Look at that. He's huge. Bro, what? Look at that. He's gonna get this. Yeah, fingertips. The fingertips. Right there. Oh, dope. That's probably where they put it. That's what I was looking for. That's why I like to let people use my stuff. Can you bring me that? Because I'm gonna use it for myself. These are pretty solid. I mean, some of the prints are kind of iffy, but we can clean them up. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be hollow or not, but info looks very interesting. I don't know if there are supports. Big finger. As you can see, they're kind of round and like, I'm not sure what's supposed to be going on in here. So yeah. Alright, so we got part one of the wrist. Oh, look at that. It's actually printed out really, really cleanly. Yeah, really, really cleanly. There's nothing I really have to clean, just besides these little holes. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Move it on to this piece. This one looks clean too. Yeah. It's really strong too. Okay. Moving on to the next piece. But yeah, this is what we have so far. Printed these out yesterday. This one's acting up. I have to fix it. But we just have two functional printers right now. So servo build plate. And then the gears and the wrist. Yeah. I'm still trying to get this one working. They still are unfunctional, but trying to make up the time. This one should be done before I get to like fifth period, and same for that one. So then I could work on them after and start a new print later today. Yeah, awesome stuff. So this one's complete. It's what? It is 1:11. Nice. And this one's still printing out. 2 hours left. Still printing. That one's there. Alright, so I'm gonna end up replacing these. This is a new one. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. It's like no gunking here or anything like that compared to this one. Right there. So yeah, I'm gonna replace it. Alright, so I've turned this on. We're gonna troubleshoot and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, fan is working on this one. Extruder's warming up. Oops, sorry. Extruder's warming up, so we're gonna see if it's gonna load anything. And if so, then we can print with this one. But as we speak, I'm trying to troubleshoot the STL files on the splashing tool, because some of the bases are really looking really janked up, and I want to see if it's because it's not dropping down to the build plate, or if I need to make a build plate and then work from there. But I'm still busy troubleshooting this as I'm doing this as well. So another thing that happened was, since that part right there isn't fully in contact with this, and it's just like there, it keeps pushing itself out using the material, or PLA. So what I'm gonna try doing is warming up the extruder, pushing this in as if it were like, I don't know, hot glue, and then see if I can get it close enough, and then try to get a clamp or some glue to keep it in there. But we'll see. It's working. That's a good thing. I think this one should be set, at least temporarily. We really do need glue to keep the tube on there. Because right now, what happened with the last time, I think it ran out. Like, there was just too much tension in between the material and the extruder that it tore apart, so it let go of everything. So it kind of acted like a sprung. Yeah. Alright, next one I'm troubleshooting is this one. It's like, that one's not working, I got to glue it, and then this one's the next one that I'm working on. We're gonna see how well it performs. Utilities. Let's see, let's get a build plate. So, currently loading this, but we'll see where it goes from here. This one's not gonna work today.